Welcome to Exams Daily, and this video is for RRB ALP exam pattern and syllabus. In our channel, we had already uploaded RRB NTPC, RRB JE, RRB Group B examination, exam pattern and syllabus. If you don't watch that, I'm just giving that link in description box and it might be useful for your examination. And in this video, RRB ALP, which is Assistant Loco Pilot Examination, I am just going to share you full detailed exam pattern and syllabus. And under this post, they are recruiting for Technician post and Assistant Loco Pilot post. And the selection process for this examination is, it comprises of 2 stages of CBT, computer based test. Those who have completed stage 1, you are eligible to write stage 2 of examination. So once you have completed stage 1 and stage 2 of examination, you are eligible for document verification. And this is the selection process for this ALB examination. And RRB ALP examination pattern for CBT 1, computer based test 1. And these are the subject for RRB ALP, and first is mathematics, and then next general intelligence and reasoning, and then general science and general awareness. And these are the topics for RRB ALP. And in mathematics section, they are going to ask 20 questions, and for general intelligence and reasoning, it is 25 questions, and for general science, it is 20 questions, and for general awareness question, it is 10 questions. And totally you are going to write 75 questions, and the time duration for this examination is 120 minutes. And that is 2 hours. This examination comprises for 2 hours. And those who have completed CBT 1, you are eligible to write CBT 2, computer based test 2. And they are recruiting for RRB ALP for Assistant Loco Pilot and Technicians posting. And the next RRB ALP examination pattern for CBT 2, computer based test 2, and it consists of part A and part B. And part A is like that of CBT 1 syllabus, and part B is trade specific syllabus. I'm just sharing you the details about this. And at first it is mathematics, and then general intelligence and reasoning, and then basic science and engineering section, and then general awareness section. And the total number of questions for mathematics is 25, and for general intelligence and reasoning it is 25, and for basic science and engineering it is 40 questions, and for general awareness it is 10 questions. And the number of questions differs for CBT 1 and CBT 2, and also the level of question 2 varies for this CBT 1 and CBT 2. Maybe basics are asked in CBT 1, and the next level of questions are asked for CBT 2 examination. Maybe that's the difference for this, but syllabus are slightly same for this examination. And totally you are going to write this examination for 100 questions, and the time duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1.5 hours for this examination. But for CBT 1 it is 2 hours, and the total question is only 75, but you are going to write a CBT 2 for 100 questions and for 1.5 hours. So you want to prepare well for CBT 2. And previous year question paper is very important for this, because you are going to write examination via online mode. So you want to daily attend mock test to crack this examinations very easily. And then part B, it is for trade specific. So you are going to write your trade syllabus, and it is for 75 questions, and the time duration is 60 minutes. 1 hour you are going to write your trade related syllabus examination for part B. And this is for CBT 2 examination. It comprises part A and part B. So you want to write a part A for 1.5 hours and part B for 1 hour, and it belongs to your trade syllabus. And I'm just going to share you RRB ALP syllabus for CBT 1 examination. So computer based test 1, and you are going to write this examination via online. Those who have completed CBT 1, you are eligible to write CBT 2 examination. So at first it is reasoning, and these are the topics that comes under reasoning, and the first topic is analogy, and then odd one out, and then coding and decoding, and finding missing number by pattern in series, and distance and direction test, blood relations, ranking and arrangement, and then logical diagram and mirror images. And these are the topics for reasoning. So for reasoning, you want to daily you want to solve problems on reasoning more and more to get some ideas about reasoning, and then you can crack a very toughest questions easily. And the next for arithmetic, and the first topic is decimal fraction, and then BODMAS rule, LCM by HCF, percentage, profit and loss, time and work, time and distance, ratio and proportion, square and square root, cube and cube root, and mensuration. And these are the topics for arithmetic. And for this, you want to go through 6th to 10th NCERT syllabus books for arithmetic concept. And the next, general awareness, and these are the topics that comes under general awareness. For this, you want to go through current affairs and you want to daily read newspapers. So newspaper is very important to crack general awareness. So in our channel, we are daily uploading current affairs daily. So you can go through that to get more and more information via our channel. And for general awareness, first topic is Indian history, and then world and Indian geography, Indian polity, health and physiology, and then general science, and then national and international current affairs, and then computer and information technology. So up-to-date information is very important for this computer and information technology. So up-to-date technology related news are very important for general awareness. And then for general awareness, elementary topics in physics, chemistry, biology, and human physiology. So for this too, you want to go through 6th to 12th standard books. So this is mandatory for this general science exam, for this general science topic. And the next, RRB ALP syllabus for CBT2 examination. And I'm just going to share you detailed syllabus for this ALP examination. So at first it is too same as like of CBT1, but maybe the question level and the number of questions for this examination may varies, but the pattern and the syllabus are very same. And for reasoning, the first topic is analogy, odd one out, coding, decoding, finding missing number, pattern series, distance and direction test, blood relations, ranking and arrangement, and the logical diagram and mirror images. And these are the topics for reasoning. And for arithmetic, it is decimal fraction, BODMAS rule, LCM by HCF, percentage, profit and loss, time and work, time and distance, ratio and proportion, square and square root, cube and cube root, and mensuration. And for general awareness, it is Indian history, world and Indian geography, Indian polity, health and physiology, and then general science, national and international current affairs, and then computer and information technology. And that's it for general awareness. And for general science, likewise for CBT1, it is also you want to study the elementary topics in physics, chemistry, biology, human physiology. And then you are going to write this examination for your trade syllabus. So if you belong to mechanical, you want to go through this syllabus, and for electrical you are going to study this syllabus, and for electronics, and these are the syllabus. And for mechanical, you want to go through basics of mechanics, thermodynamics, strength of materials, refrigeration and air conditioning, and fluid mechanics. And I'm just share you what are the postings that comes under this mechanical department. And for electrical, it is atomic structure, voltage, current, resistance and their units, series and parallel connections, magnetism, principles of motors, transformers, generators, gravity, measuring instruments, and these are for electrical. And for electronics, it is connectivity, electrons, semiconductors, insulators, bias. So likewise, basics of electronics, basics of electrical, and basics of mechanical are for your technical test. And these are the trade belongs to according to your stream. And for electrical engineering and combination of various streams are electrician, instrument mechanic, wireman, winder, refrigeration and air conditioning mechanic. And for electronic engineering, the combination of various streams are electronics mechanic, mechanic radio and TV. And for mechanical engineering, combination of various streams of mechanical engineering are fitter, mechanic motor vehicle, tractor mechanic, mechanic diesel, tuner, machinist, refrigeration and air conditioning machine, heat engine, millwright maintenance mechanic. And for automobile engineering, mechanic motor vehicle, tractor mechanic, mechanic diesel, heat engine, refrigeration and all combination of mechanics. And for HSC 10+2 with math, physics and maths, and it is for electrician by electronics mechanic by wireman. And these are your trade specific relevant trade, and you want to go through according to your syllabus, and you want to go through your technical subject for this trade syllabus, and you are going to write this examination for 75 marks. And once you have completed stage 1 and stage 2, you are eligible for document verification. And that's it for RRB ALP examination. And I think it might useful for your further examination, and thanks for watching.